Find the HCF, which is the highest common factor of 12a and 18ab. Solution. So you now write the numbers out here. 12a equal to, then the other one would be 18ab equal to. Do something like this here. For 12a, so starting with 2 into 12 will be 6a. Then use 2 again. 2 into this will be 3a. 2 cannot go anymore, so use 3. 3 into this will be just a. Then what can go? A will be just 1. So for 12a, we'll have 2 times 2 times 3 times a. So you express it like this. So now you now divide 18ab to the same way. So this is 18ab. So let's break it down. 2 can still go. 2 here is 9ab. Can 2 still go? No. 3 can go. 3 into here will be 3ab. Can 3 still go? Yes. 3 into here will be just ab. What can go? A. When A goes, only B will remain. Then when B can go, here will be 1. So for 18ab, when we break it down, we now have 2 times 3 times 3 times A times B. 2 times 3 times 3 times A times B. Now we've successfully broken it down into their factors. Now the next thing we do is to pick what is common between these two numbers. So if you come here, you see that 2 is common, or 2 is up and 2 is also down. Here, 2 here, 3 here, we cannot pick it, they are not the same thing. Here we have 3 here and also another 3, so just pick any one. So let's merge it, we can merge it with this one, but this one is more straight. So let's merge it with this 3. So we pick 2 here that are common, we have picked 3 here that are common. A up, A down, we pick it also. Here is B, there is no B up, so we cannot pick B. Here there is 2 here, there is 3 here, we cannot pick it. So the common ones now, we will now multiply them out. So therefore, you now say the HCF is equal to multiply all the common ones, which is pick 2, this is 2, times this is 3, times this is A. So when you multiply it out, you now have 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times A is 6A. So therefore, the highest common factor, HCF, of this number and this number is 6A. I hope you get this.